Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In last week's video, I began my whimsical holiday DIY series with this beautiful decorative mirrored box. And in today's video, I share with you two more Dollar Tree holiday DIYs. Now let's get started. I'm starting off with this 18 by 18 inch pillow cover and glitter iron on vinyl paper, all from Dollar Tree. Here, I'm simply using my mini heat press and a piece of parchment paper to iron on the glitter vinyl paper onto the pillow cover. I decided to overlap the pieces just a bit, but this method didn't turn out as I expected. Because each 12 by 12 inch piece appeared to be the same shade, I didn't concern myself with placing them down in a certain direction. However, I should have paid more attention to how I ironed on each of the pieces, and overlapping the pieces definitely made the seams very visible. I was a bit disappointed with the first side of my pillow cover, but I decided to continue. Here, I'm ironing over the seams of the pillow cover, and because I've removed the thick plastic film, I have turned my heat press down to low, and I'm only pressing down for just a few seconds. Next, I added the vinyl paper to the opposite side of the pillow cover, and now that I know what not to do, I think that this side will end up a lot better. Here's side A, and here's how side B turned out. Now let's all pretend like I made side A like that on purpose. To complete the project, I inserted a old 18 by 18 inch pillow, and here are the final results. Of course, you can design your glitter pillow to match your Christmas theme, but I decided to keep my pillow plain because I plan to display this pillow cover all year long. For project number 2, I'm using 4 Dollar Tree 4.5 inch mirrors. I used generous amounts of hot glue to attach the mirrors to a piece of Dollar Tree foam board. Next, I added Dollar Tree wire lights. Next, I added this really pretty silver trim that I picked up for about $2.50 from Hobby Lobby. You could also use Dollar Tree ribbon as well. I repeated those steps to make two smaller versions using single mirrors. And here's how project number 2 turned out. I'm not quite ready to hang Christmas decorations, but these are going to look super cute in my foyer. So what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I have more holiday DIYs. Here's a sneak peek into next week's video. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.